Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add these types of chapters to YouTube videos. The process is simple and easy, but let me show you a few things before starting it. You can see from here. These are the rules for video chapters. The first thing is that timestamps should start from 0:00. Second, at least 3 timestamps will list it in ascending order. The third is a video chapter with a minimum length of 10 seconds. And on the last, if you scroll down, here you can see that not all videos are eligible for automatic chapters, which means all videos are not eligible for adding video chapters. Now I'm going back to my YouTube channel. So here is my video and I will add chapters to this. And how can I do this? Scroll down. And I already wrote chapters and timestamps for my video, so I'm just copy-pasting these. Always make sure your timestamp starts from 0:00, because if you do not add this 0:00, your video chapters will not show. And before typing on this option save, let me tell you one more thing. Scroll down, and here are the options for the automatic chapter. If this feature is off, then turn it on. Allow automatic chapters and key movement. After doing all these, tap on the option Save. When you tap on the option, Save. Then, if your video is eligible, these chapters will be added to your video automatically. It was a basic way by which you could edit video chapters on YouTube. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.